Hello students, this is your Ramna teacher. In our last class we are discussed about magnet. In this class we are discussed about magnetic material and non-magnetic material. Magnetic material. The material which is attracted by the magnet is called magnetic material. Non-magnetic material. The material which is not attracted by the magnet is called non-magnetic material. Okay children, now we are going to discuss about the magnetic material and non-magnetic material. Before going to that, we have know the what are the magnetic materials and what are the non-magnetic materials. Do you observe here we have scissors. Do you know scissors? What is the use of the scissors? Yes, scissors are used to cut something like papers and cloth and also wrappers of the packets, eatable packets like that. So here the scissors made with have two parts. Scissors have two parts. The one part is made up of iron and the second part is made up of plastic. One part is made up of iron and the second part is made up of plastic. Now we are going to discuss about the magnetic material and non-magnetic material. Here you observe one thing. What is the meaning of the magnetic material? The material which are attracted by the magnet. The material which are attracted by the magnet is called magnetic material. The material which are attracted by the magnet is called magnetic material. And the second, non-magnetic material. The material which are not attracted by the magnet. The materials which are not attracted by the magnets is called non-magnetic materials. Here iron is attracted by the magnet. Iron is attracted by the magnet, but plastic is not attracted by the magnet. Plastic is not attracted by the magnet. So here iron is called as magnetic material because it is attracted by magnet. Plastic is called as non-magnetic material because it is not attracted by the magnet. Plastic is called as non-magnetic material because it is not attracted by the magnet. And we see some other examples of magnetic materials and non-magnetic materials. Here we have a wooden piece. Do you know wooden piece? Okay. Let's we check wooden piece is attracted by magnet or not. Oh no, it is not attracted by the magnet. So this wooden piece is called as non-magnetic material. This wooden piece is called as non-magnetic material. And we have keys here. We have keys here. Let's we check with that keys. Yes, keys is made up of iron. That's why they are always attracted by the magnet. So here keys are called as magnetic materials. And we have a pen here. Pen. This pen is made up of plastic. So let's we check. We already discussed about it. Plastic is a non-magnetic material because it is not attracted by the magnet. So this pen is also non-magnetic material. And we have a plate here. Okay, it is made up of stainless steel. Let's we check it is attracted by the magnet or not. Let's we check it is attracted by the magnet or not. Yes, it is attracted by the magnet. So the stainless steel is also called as magnetic material because it is attracted by magnet. And we have another example of stainless steel. This is safety pin. You all know the safety pin. So this safety pin also attracted by the magnet. So the stainless steel always called as magnetic material. And we have another example here. It is a box. made up of paper. It is a box made up of paper. Let's check. Paper is attracted by the magnet or not? No. Paper is not attracted by the magnet. So, paper is also called as the non-magnetic material. Paper is also called as the non-magnetic material. Okay? Do you have an idea, children? What are the magnetic material and what are the non-magnetic material? Always iron and stainless steel is called as magnetic material because these are attracted by the magnets, and paper and wood and plastic, these are called as non-magnetic material because these are not attracted by the magnet. So I think you have an idea. The material which are attracted by the magnet is called magnetic material, and the material which are not attracted by the magnets is called non-magnetic material. For example, magnetic material, iron and stainless steel, and the examples for the non-magnetic material, paper, wood, plastic, etc. Okay, children, our next topic is magnetic field, like poles and unlike poles. Okay, children, in a magnetic field, always like poles attract each other and unlike poles repel each other. Let's know about it. If this is a bar magnet and this is also a bar magnet, here we have two bar magnets. If we put these two bar magnets side by side like this is north pole and this is also north pole. So these two are same. So these are called as like poles. And we put like this is north pole and this is south pole. These two are different from one to another. So these are called as unlike poles. Like poles means N and N, North Pole and North Pole. Unlike poles means North Pole and South Pole. In a magnetic field, there is a principle. Always unlike poles attract each other. Always unlike poles attract each other. N and S, North Pole and South Pole attract each other. Okay, if we put like this, observe what happens. Always like poles repel each other. Always like poles repel each other. And unlike poles, observe this, unlike poles attract each other. N and N repel each other and N and S attract each other. So, unlike poles attract each other and like poles repel each other. Okay, students, today homework. Write about the magnetic and non-magnetic materials and give some examples.